Hello, my friend. I
Kina-tester
am
final,
very
titignan ko
happy to see
regalo
you here
espesyal.
again. Today, you are going to learn how to talk about your full day in English using very easy and natural sentences. My name is Jake, and I will speak very slowly and clearly so you can understand me easily. And repeat after me. This podcast will help you to learn English by listening, by speaking, and by practicing again and again. We are not going to use difficult words. We will only use easy words so that you can feel confident and learn step by step. Now I want to ask you some simple questions. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the evening or at night? When you can answer these questions, it means you are learning to speak real English. It is very important to talk about your day in English because it is about you, and you already know what happens in your life. You don't need to talk about big topics like science or news or history. You just need to talk about your own day, your own life, and your own actions. You can say what time you wake up. You can say what you eat. You can talk about your work or your school. You can talk about how you feel: tired, happy, relaxed, or busy. And the best thing is this: when you talk about your day, you are using real English. You're using English that people use every day. You don't need to speak perfectly. You just need to speak. When you talk about your day, you start thinking in English, not in your language. You stop translating in your head, and slowly, you feel more and more confident. Let me give you an example. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do today?" If you have practiced, you can say, "I woke up at 7. I went to work. I had coffee. I answered emails. I made dinner. I watched TV." That is a simple answer, but it is real. It is good communication. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a class. You can practice alone. If you don't know what to say, you can always start with your day.